Introduce features interest for WEMAX 40-inch portable projector screen. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Ultralight and compact freestanding projection screen, which designed for portable tabletop projection. The perfect projector pal for traveling, camping, business presentations, school meetings, and on-the-go use. The Max White fabric screen features a multi-layer fabric with 1.1 gain to enhance your viewing experience. Compatible with 4K, 3D projection with smooth surface, the all-black back reduces light penetration for sharp image. The projection screen can be easily pulled out from its compact aluminum case and set up or retract in seconds. You can put the projection screen into the carrying case in seconds for convenient transportation. Just pull up the screen and hang it on the pole to start projection, no need to drill on the wall. The rotating stand feet give your screen extra security and stability. Place the screen on any apartment surface or table, the perfect solution for camping, movie nights, indoor movie nights, school meetings, and business presentations in the classroom or office. Pull out the portable screen to begin your amazing holiday at anywhere you want. Lightweight and retractable, the WEMAX P40 is designed to be an efficient floor-mounted screen for your home theater, outdoor movies, on-the-go presentations and more. The 40-inch diagonal 16:9 portable screen offers 1.1 gain and supports 4K UHD and 3D projection. The black back panel prevents light from entering for a brighter image. Simply open the stand, pull up the screen and you are ready to project. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.